Welcome back. And if you hear little Louie, he's just letting you know he's the one in charge. It's been a scorcher this week, 100 degrees with humidity around 89%. So we've been squeezing in our projects wherever we could. This week, we're making more progress on the porch, taking a walk to the gardens and seeing what's growing, and sharing a few of the little moments that made this week special. Thanks for coming along. So it's not the steps, it's the board underneath that's the, oh, I see what you're saying. Yep, I gotcha.
That post is not buried.
Okay.
It's just like a
floater, like a...
Yeah, like I don't really know what the intention was there. I mean, I think maybe he thought
That'll work. I think so. And then over the top of that, you're going to put hardwire?
Yeah, hardware cloth.
Hardware cloth. What's the difference? Oh, yeah.
Hardwire, I have no idea. I never heard of it. That's a Archambault tree. Like a pilator.
That's not very nice of you.
No, but it's accurate.
It's not fun to make fun of the chickens like this.
I need you to go down there.
Yeah.
Because the whole top is sagged. And see, we're already going downhill. And I need you to pull the top up and tight. There you go. It's hot in there.
Why do we pick the hottest days?
It's not the hottest day. It's just every day is hot and muggy. It's not even that hot. It's just
smuggy. Smuggy. You want it all the way up to the top board?
All the way up to the top board. Water?
Yep.
Are you over the edge or not?
No. I've got
Okay,
like a half
good.
inch.
Good.
Now I'm old. cutting trim and putting up trim. I hope everybody had a nice 4th of July. We didn't do too much filming over the 4th as our middle son is home from the military and we're enjoying that time. But, of course, as usual, we always pick the hottest day. The hottest day.
I'm sweaty already.
To do this.
Yeah, all good. See,
Oh, because they're long enough. Got it. Never mind.
that's long enough to
Go
do
underneath
in
there.
between. Should make sure of that. Extra pieces. Oh yeah. That's nice.
I was worried that it was going to get like all splitty.
Splintery.
Yeah.
It helps, to be honest, to do this in the heat
Oh,
because it gets
warm and doesn't.
brittle. I mean, honestly, it's somewhere you probably could do it. Just probably do this in
put it-
winter.
We picked the hottest week to work on this stuff.
Why not? After this, I'm gonna split wood.
Woo. Can you just? I'll back you up just in case.
Thanks. Bed can you see the screw holes?
What's that?
Bed can you see the screws? Good. Let's do those ones out first.
We tried leaving the boys out overnight for a couple nights, but after both Louie and Harold got tangled in the portable netting, we decided to bring them back into the stable at night for now. We'd rather take a step back, fix the fence, and make sure it's working the way it should than take unnecessary risks. That's part of learning and trying to do right by the animals. After that beautiful rain, it was nice to look out over the South 40 and the North 40 and see all the green bean sprouts coming up. That'll make the bees happy. And there's little Louie voicing his opinion. Believe it or not, little Louie is always trouble and the ringleader of the group. He always keeps us on our toes. And he's always very sassy. Good thing he's cute.
It's okay.
We hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Until next time.